In this video, we will see code implementation.
Now let's solve this question. So here you can see in this function I am getting the number of weights, I am getting the capacity, right? This is the only thing that I am getting. So what I will do, first of all I will calculate the n, that is the size of my array basically. So I will simply say weights dot length. Okay, you can, so let's make a bit pseudocode, right? So I am not writing the whole keywords here, right? And let's take then two pointers. So I'm taking one l equals to 0, r equals to n minus 1, and let's initialize our count variable with 0, and that's it. Do we need anything? Let's take the sum, because sum equals to array l plus array r. So let's take the sum equals to 0. Now what we need to do, we need to first sort the weights, right? So I will simply put weights dot sort method and simply sort it. So this is the basic sorting method. And now what we will do, we'll use while condition, and we'll come back to this condition later. Before then, I just want that my sum should be updated again and again. So I will simply put sum equals to weights of L plus weights of R. This will be my weight sum basically. Now I will check two things. So if my sum is greater than my limit, right, then what I am going to do. If my sum is less than my limit, then what I am going to do. Or if it is equals, then, so if it is less or equal, then I am going to do same thing. So if it is less than the capacity, else what is the thing? Else means if it is greater than. So then we know that what we need to do. So we will fill one by one. So if sum is less than or equals to capacity, right? So what I will do, that means I have filled my board with both the persons. So I will move my L pointer, I will move my R pointer, and I will update the count like this, right? This is done. Now else condition, if weight is greater than the capacity, so I can fill the boat with only one person, that is the maximum one. So I will simply do R minus minus, right, and I will update the count plus plus. Now what I will do in this, after this while condition, right, what we need to do after this while condition, we just need to check, right, if our L, that is L and R pointer both are pointing to the same. If it is the case, so simply update the count, right? And just let me decrease the size a little bit so that you will get a complete view. And this is done. So left anything? I guess no. Only this thing, while condition. So while condition will be if my L is less than R, because here I am breaking it, and once if it is equal, right, it will come here. If it is equal, it will come here, and I will update the count. So this is how you can solve this problem. Now also you can check out this problem in Leetcode and in different coding platforms. If you want to check out this problem in Leetcode, so the problem name is boats to save people. I will mention this problem in the description, so you can go and check it and you will get a better sense. So before closing this, just let's see what is the time complexity and space complexity of it, and let's do a short dry run.